I've got the latest Trendmood volume. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the latest Trendmood. They put out one, and then they almost immediately after put out another one. The one they put out before this one, I didn't get. Thought it was kind of a dud. This one, however, they had already been putting out spoilers about. Like as soon as they put out the other one, they were like, here's some spoilers for our next box. And I was like, when's that coming? Because that's the one I'm getting. Here is your sneak peek. Let's get right into it. They don't give you any information. You kind of have to go online and look it up to their website if it's still listed. Number one by April Skin is the Artemisia Rice Essence Toner. This is vegan and cruelty-free. And it's a toner, so always like a toner. I don't think I've ever tried this brand before. I have the Bondi Boost Hair Mask. Now this is cruelty-free, and there's a kangaroo on the back. I don't know if that's just because it's a product of Australia. This is a miracle mask. It says, treat your hair from where it grows with this nutrient-rich, transformative mask infused with a proprietary blend of abyssinian, argan, macadamia, castor, and jojoba oil. These oils work together, infusing the scalp and hair with essential hair-loving nutrients to support healthier growth. Free from silicones, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oils, phenoxyethanol, and drying alcohols. Use once a week and leave it on for about 15 minutes. I typically leave them on overnight, I'm going to tell you. Unless it says not to, I'm going to leave it on overnight. That way I got fresh air in the morning. By First Aid Beauty is an anti-chafe stick. It says shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. It's a little guy. By KVD is the full sleeve long defined tubing mascara. Now I love a tubing mascara. I did say this in an earlier video. I don't know if this is still a vegan and cruelty-free brand. I know that it always was in the past, but sometimes companies are purchased by larger companies that do participate in animal testing, so I don't know, because I have heard that this isn't really KVD. It went bankrupt, somebody else bought it. I don't really know. If you guys know, let me know. But I think the more important thing for me is it cruelty-free or not? But I love a tubing mascara. It's in the box I bought. I'll probably try it anyway. This is the Swirl Sparkle Trendmood Vegan All Natural and Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. So it is a balm to clean your makeup brushes. It smells like candy. This has coconut, palm, and sunflower oil, aloe vera gel, sodium hydroxide, glycerin, oat protein, sorbitol, water, propylene glycol, titanium dioxide, and sorbitan olate. By EM Cosmetics in the color Foxy. See, it says on the back here, Sustainable Forestry Initiative, Sustainable Forestry Initiative, Certified Chain of Custody, whatever that is. It's a velvet lip liner. Cannot tell any other information. So there it is. Kind of a darker color. There's what it's supposed to look like. So I'm not gonna swatch that because I want to take a look, and I'll throw up a picture for you guys. It does look like it's going to go with the next product though. It's a little card about the mascara. That's what it says it's going to do for you. Easy water removal. Wet your fingers with warm water, press against your lashes, and it just kind of comes off. That tubing mascara just kind of slides off. By Sigma Beauty, we have a liquid lip cream in Dusty Rose. Now, I'm thinking that that's meant to go with that lip liner. That I do like. What do you guys think? I like that. Okay, now this to me was the star of this box. And when they first spoiled it, I saw a lot of comments like, that's so boring. Oh my God. There are like 3 duochromes in this. Boring. It is the ABH Fall Romance palette. Like I said, I think there's like 3 duochromes in here. First of all, it's velvet on the outside. This is a cruelty-free company. Here are the shades. Again, does not look boring to me at all. Look at those purples. Look at that midnight. This ember right here has some really nice sparkle to it. Think Moonlight. This light purple right here is one of the, oh yes, that is definitely duochrome. So it goes from purple to gold. It's not really showing up in the, I feel like it's not showing up like I'm seeing it. Like this crown color right here, that looks like one of the other duochromes. Try not to get my, so it's looking gold there, but I kind of see like a pinkish greenish. I don't know if that's picking up well enough, and it may be my lighting in here, so I apologize for that. And this smoke here looks like it might have, there's that bright purple. That is the lighter of the 2 greens. Next one is the darker. So, I mean, these are some great, great colors. I'm not sure, they're not boring to me. I can tell you that. I think they're pretty, and I mean, I have gotten some ABH palettes that I've been like, that's kind of boring, but not this one. This one speaks fall to me, and this was the whole reason I purchased this box. And they always send me a discount code. Once you buy a box from them, they'll send you a discount code. It's like 10% off. Sometimes I'll get the box for like under 40 bucks. This one I think was 44 after the discount. And I mean, that palette alone is probably a $65 palette. So right there I paid for the box. But other things in here, super excited. This was another product I was excited about, the hair mask. Loving that lipping. Tubing mascara, need I say more? Those really, ooh, look at that. If you tried the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, that's a tubing mascara. And if you've loved that, I have loved every tubing mascara afterwards. This, not sure about. Only because it's a lip liner and I don't really do that. Chafing stick. Yes, let's clean those brushes. And I always love me a good toner. So that is their most recent one. I don't know the number, but I'll have had it in, because I don't remember off the top of my head, I'll have had that in the description, which Trendmood volume it was. But again, they released one that was almost all skincare and stuff I had, stuff I wasn't really excited about, so I didn't get it. And then they released this one right on the heels of it, and that almost never happens. So no new spoilers. I think they're going to take a minute before they put out another one, but love this box. I love how they do things too. They're like, we're not a subscription company. We're going to show you what's in our box. You want that box? You get it. You don't want it? Don't get it. You're not subscribed. You can get it when you want and not get it when you don't. There's no choices. Here's what it is. Take it or leave it. And that's what you can do. And if you don't get one, they're still going to send you a code the next time around. I mean, I guess if you don't get one for like a couple of years, they probably will stop sending you emails. But yeah, you get to first chance to get it, and you get a discount code, and you get a bunch of great products. So that's all I have for now. Let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.